Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this insecticide is worth it. MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide Overview. The MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide is a concentrated insecticide that can be easily prepared for application by diluting it with water. It is fast-acting and highly effective against more than 100 insects, including spiders and scorpions. The insecticide also offers residual action, making it effective long after initial application in areas suspected of harboring scorpions and spiders. This means that any future scorpions and spiders that come into contact with such places will still be eliminated without the need for reapplication. What we liked: easy-to-follow instructions for direct preparation and usage. Effective against a wide variety of pests. It can be used in different areas and on different surfaces. What we didn't like: contains synthetic chemicals and is therefore not eco-friendly. Features: can be tank mixed. For better effectiveness against certain pests, the MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide can be tank mixed with other pesticides. For instance, it can be tank mixed with Nigard IGR when used against fleas, as well as with other pyrethrum-based pesticides. Be careful when tank mixing, as some products prohibit it, such as those containing DDVP. Ensure you follow the product's usage instructions when tank mixing. Pyperonyl butoxide, PBO, synergized. The MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide contains both ensfavalorate and preletharin and is synergized with pyperonyl butoxide, PBO, maximizing its effectiveness. The PBO works as an inhibitor in the insect's P450 cytochrome. This cytochrome is usually responsible for the metabolism and detoxification of insect toxins, making insects resistant to pesticides. Dual functionality. This insecticide can be used both indoors and outdoors, providing comprehensive protection for you, your pets, and livestock against a range of pesky parasites. After preparation, spray it around your home, in cracks in the walls, or in areas where food is served, stored, or prepared, such as restaurants, to eliminate spiders and scorpions. Do not, however, spray the insecticide directly on food. Ensure you cover the food before applying it. Who is the MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide best suited for? The MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide is suited for anyone looking for an effective insecticide with residual action that can be used in different areas against a wide variety of pests. Verdict: should you get the MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide? The MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide is inorganic, making it unsuitable for those seeking a more eco-friendly pest control approach. What gives this insecticide an edge over other insecticides is that it offers a solution against more than 100 pests in one bottle, as well as its ability to reduce the risk of pests developing resistance. Thus, you should buy the MGK Onslaught FastCap Spider and Scorpion Insecticide to kill scorpions, spiders, and other pests around your home. Thanks for watching.